Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I feel like this video is way overdue and a video I probably should have filmed a long time ago. Over the years of being married and having kids, having a family, running a household, I've kind of been collecting mental notes on products that I maybe used over the years, tools that I've used over the years that I thought I would maybe try and maybe didn't like, or tools I invested in that maybe just weren't worth the hype. So I wanted to make a video for you guys on things that I am currently using and loving in my home. Hi, my name is Katie, and if you guys are new here, I have a lifestyle, cleaning, organizing, decorating, DIY, cooking, recipes, vlogging channel that you're watching right now. And I love to put together just motivation and inspiring videos for you guys to get up and get things done around your house. Maybe make your home feel a little bit more homey and cozy and just more your style. But of course, on top of that, you gotta keep things clean and organized. So I love to make videos to help keep you motivated and make you feel like you're doing those things along with a friend. I am in Southern California. I am married. I've been married for 16 years now, and we have two boys. They're a little bit older now, Rylan and Colton, and they are 12 and 13. They do help a lot around the house. We also have two dogs, Boston and Liberty. They are 1-year-old Black Lab German Shepherd mix dogs, and on top of having kids, having puppies also can be pretty destructive around the house. And so I've really had to hone in on the things to make my job easier that are also going to work and get the job done. So let's take a minute and kind of go over my latest and greatest of products and tools that I am using and loving around my home.
Okay, I want to share one of my absolute favorite cleaning tools right now, and it's what I reach for all the time. I have been trying it out the last couple weeks for you guys, and I have to include my Levoit LVAC-300 cordless vacuum because it has quickly become one of my go-to everyday essentials. The self-standing design, I didn't realize how much I needed it until I had it. Being able to just pause and set it down anywhere and it stays upright is such a small detail that makes a huge difference when you're cleaning in real life. The lay down feature is also super helpful when cleaning under furniture. Also has a tangle-free brush roller, which is a must for me. If you deal with long hair or pet hair, you know how annoying it is to constantly clean out your vacuum, but this one is designed to prevent that, so it saves so much time. The suction is also super powerful. It picks up everything really quickly, dust, crumbs, hair, and I don't feel like I have to keep going over the same spot over and over again. Another reason it made my top favorites list is the HEPA filtration. It traps really fine particles, so not only are my floors clean, but the air feels cleaner too, which I love. A feature I love on this Levoit cordless vacuum is the LED floor light. It helps you actually see what's on your floors, especially under furniture or in those darker areas where things tend to hide. And when I'm done, the one button empty feature makes it so easy. No mess, no hassle, just quick and done. It's also lightweight, easy to maneuver, and has a great battery life, so I can clean multiple rooms without feeling rushed. Overall, this is one of those tools that just simplifies cleaning so much, and that's exactly why it earned a top spot in my top favorite cleaning products and tools. So if you would also like to shop my Levoit cordless vacuum, you can use my link down below in the description box. And thank you so much to Levoit for sponsoring today's video.
One of the things that I've definitely learned over the years is to work smarter and not harder. So what I did is I bought a caddy. You can get these Walmart, Target, Amazon, probably at the dollar store, one of those stores, maybe even Five Below. This one is from Target, and it's essential to have some sort of caddy that you can easily move around the house with you. Or if you're in a single story home, get some sort of cart on wheels that you can put all of your cleaning supplies in. Not only does this keep things organized, but you know where everything is. And then I notice when things aren't shoved into the back of the cabinet, I know what I have left, and I don't think I can't find it, I must have used it all, and then go buy another one. And then next time I'm cleaning out that cabinet, I realize that I've had a bottle of whatever that was the whole time. So I find not only is it convenient, but it keeps me from being wasteful, buying more product that I don't need, and it's just convenient and keeps it organized, and you can easily put this away into a storage closet or under a sink or wherever you keep your cleaning supplies.
An essential to any cleaning routine is a really good all-purpose cleaner. I love the Branch Basics line. It is a human grade, human safe cleaning line. You can get a concentrate and you can keep refilling bottles and making it with your concentrate. You can use this on dishes, laundry, indoor, outdoor, all kinds of things around your home. So this is definitely an essential to me to add to my caddy. The other thing I use and love, and I can use this on other surfaces as well, is the Spray-Away glass cleaner. It sprays into a foam and it is streak free. It is also very, very affordable and just an essential to any time I'm cleaning glass or windows. Anywhere I need to really get clean, like bathrooms, I love to have these Clorox wipes on hand. Like I said, I love to use them in bathrooms and countertops or anywhere I just feel like needs an extra clean, maybe if someone was sick, and cleaning my toilets. Speaking of bathrooms, you always need a really good bathroom spray as well. So again, using Branch Basics. My boys are at an age where they have been pitching in and helping clean their bathroom, and I think Branch Basics is a great line to have your kids pitch in and help cleaning in their spaces around the house. The Shedazzle cleaning paste I've shared several times on my channel. This stuff is absolutely amazing, especially if maybe like white tile or grout or maybe a white kitchen sink. You don't want to live without this stuff. Here is a long list of everything you can use this paste on. I just grabbed mine on Amazon, but it is a total essential for my cleaning kit. Of course, a good set of cleaning gloves, or I like the disposable ones. I'm not a big fan of reusable gloves, so I love to have a pack of just some that I can use and toss, and adding those into my caddy. A good sponge is also essential. I love using the Scrub Daddy, particularly in my tubs and showers or sinks. I feel like they really get in there and I like the texture, and especially if you use this with some sort of cleaning paste, it can remove all kinds of stubborn stains, and I like how it just fits in your hand and you can use it in so many different areas of your home. Now, this item isn't essential, but it's something that I personally love to use to scrub tubs and showers and sinks. I do have a full version where it may make reaching out into the tub and the shower a little bit easier, but this one is awesome for those tighter areas and scrubbing sinks. It's just a power scrubber. And this is something similar. It is not to be confused with a toothbrush, although it looks like one. This is a power scrubber for getting into those really tight nooks and crannies. It does come with other attachments, but I notice when I'm cleaning around faucets and those more like tight areas, this has been so much easier to use than just like a manual toothbrush. Kind of like the gloves, I like to be able to clean something and toss it and not reuse it. So I love these Swiffer dusters. These are a one-time use, or until it needs to be changed out and you're not harboring a dusty duster, you can just use it and toss it. I also love how it comes on this wand and it's telescopic, so you can reach all those high areas that can be awkward to clean. Adding a scraper to my cleaning kit is something that I didn't think I would need as often as I do. This is great if you have hard water and there's buildup that can build up around like those kitchen faucets and stuff, like those calcium deposits, or if you have something sticky or a sticker. A scraper is a great thing to have. Maybe you don't use it every day, but it is handy to have. I also love to add baking soda. Not only is it great for making your own paste at home, but I love to also sprinkle it on my mattresses and carpets as an odor eliminator. Of course, cleaning rags, these are definitely an essential you want to have. Some people like microfiber cloths. I'm not a fan, so I just get a pack of these little towels at Walmart, and then I always have them on rotation and have some clean that I can just grab and add to my kit. You can easily wash and reuse them. This is a newer item that I've never had in my kit before. They are mopping socks or dusting socks. They come in a pack of 6 on Amazon, and I like to wear them when I mop my floors. Not only are they like kind of cute and you're not walking around barefoot, but another way I like to use these is dusting my baseboards, and then you also don't leave your footprints around your floors when you're mopping. Speaking of mopping, of course, you always want a good mop and bucket, but it's also nice to have something that you can just grab and is a little bit more convenient for those quick messes and just like those everyday grab and go and not those deep clean. So I love my spray mop by Bona.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a little different than my usual ones, but I thought it deserved a spot on my channel since I do a lot of cleaning here, and I do get a lot of questions on my products that I use and some of my favorites, because it is fun to try different products, but that doesn't mean that they're always a win. So this caddy that we put together today, not only is it affordable, you can pretty much get these products anywhere between Amazon, Walmart, Target, dollar store. You can put together your own caddy at home just to make your job easier, and you know that you already have tried and true products that are going to work. I will also have the link for my Levoit cordless vacuum down below. I seriously have been putting this thing through the ringer. I've had it for a little bit now, and I wanted to make sure that I tried it out really good for you guys before I shared it. Like I said, I will have a link down below. This thing is so awesome. I cannot believe the power behind this cordless vacuum. It stands up to my corded vacuums, and I didn't think that I was going to be able to say that, if I'm being honest. I use this thing all over my house, the carpets and the hardwood floors. You could even use it on tile. I have 2 dogs in the house, and pet hair is a constant issue, and this has made my life so much easier. So again, I will have the Levoit cordless vacuum linked down below in the description box. Thank you so much for watching today, and I will see you guys next time in a brand new video. Bye.